What is white pepper? White pepper is a spice that has been used for centuries, and it's often ground into powder form. Both the white pepper and black pepper originate from the same berries, which are called peppercorns. White pepper is a slightly milder version of the common black pod since it lacks the tough outer shell of its cousin. White pepper consists of the seed of the pepper plant alone, with the darker colored skin of the pepper fruit removed. This is usually accomplished by a process known as retting, where fully ripe red pepper berries are soaked in water for about a week, during which the flesh of the pepper softens and decomposes. Rubbing then removes what remains of the fruit, and the naked seed is dried. White peppercorns are smaller, have a smoother skin and a light tan color with a milder flavor. Over the last few years, Vietnam has overtaken the traditional pepper-producing countries such as India and Indonesia. White pepper is often used in light-colored sauces or in dishes that require more delicate flavors than black or green peppercorns can provide. So if you're looking for flavor without heat, white pepper might be just what you need. Buy high-quality white pepper. What are you waiting for?